Good morning, scholars. This week for flashcards, we are going to continue with addition flashcards. So let's go ahead and get ready. Now, before we get started on our addition flashcards, I wanted to show you a chart that I made to kind of help better distinguish when you should do addition and when you should do subtraction, or what exactly is addition and what exactly is subtraction. So here you can see in my addition chart, it says when we put two numbers together, the number gets bigger. So it's when you put two smaller numbers and your total gets bigger. So let's go ahead and look here. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So if I were to draw this, let's go, let's make our dots really big so I don't have to. Okay, so that's too big. I won't have enough room. So we'll go there. That seems about right. So 3, so I can draw 3 dots. And then 2, I can draw 2 equals. So when I put these two together, I will get 5. So in addition, it's when you're putting two numbers together. You are adding them together. So if I have 5 apples and I got 5 more, I'm going to be putting 5 and 5 together. Okay, so it's when you're adding more to another number and your answer is getting bigger. Now, subtraction is when you take away from the total. The number then gets smaller. So subtraction is when you're taking something away. So let's look here. 6 minus 2 equals 4. So in our problem, when it comes to subtraction, your first number, and I'm going to write this here, your first number is always your whole. So this right here is always your whole or your biggest number, okay? And then you subtract and you get a smaller number. So let's go ahead and let's do our dots. So here, if I were to do my 6 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to use a red pen so you can see that I'm crossing that off. Let's make it a little smaller. Okay, minus 2, so you're taking away 2. I'm going to cross it off, and I always start from the back because then my number gets smaller, equals, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're taking something away. So if I have 6 and I take away 2, I get a smaller number 4. Or just like the example we used when I said I had 5 apples and I added 5 more, and my total was 10, so my number got bigger. So if I have 5 apples, or sorry, if I have my 10 apples and I take away the 5 because I ate them all. So when you take something away, my total or my new number is smaller. So now I only have 5 apples because I took 5 away. Okay, scholars, I hope that's a little bit better for you to understand the difference between addition and subtraction. Keep working really hard, and let's go ahead and get started on our addition flashcards. Remember, I am going to say the addition problem, and you are going to respond with the answer. Get ready. 3 plus 1 equals. 3 plus 2 equals. 3 plus 3 equals. 3 plus 4 equals. 3 plus 5 equals. 3 plus 6 equals. 3 plus 7 equals. 3 plus 8 equals. 3 plus 9 equals. And 3 plus 10 equals. Great job, scholars. Go ahead and continue to practice these all week, and I cannot wait to hear about all the wonderful things you guys are doing in math. I will see you later. Have a wonderful day. Bye.